Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Dread pap smears. Federal guidelines now allow for a self-swab HPV test. The Health Resources and Services Administration has issued new guidelines for cervical cancer screenings, expanding options beyond the pap smear. Women aged 30 to 65 with average risk can now choose a self-administered HPV test every 5 years, in addition to the pap smear option. The HPV test detects the human papillomavirus that causes cervical cancer, which claims over 4,000 lives annually in the US. Studies show HPV tests can detect abnormal cells in the cervix more effectively than pap smears. Self-administered HPV tests involve inserting a tube into the vagina to swab for cells, compared to pap smears which use a speculum. The new guidelines aim to increase screening rates, especially for women in rural areas or with limited access to healthcare. Some women may prefer the privacy and comfort of self-swab tests. However, a quarter of women aged 21 to 65 in the US are not up to date on cervical cancer screening, and rates declined during the pandemic. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.